Just got a new Samsung Galaxy phone, but it keeps asking you to sign in with a Samsung account? Or maybe you're trying to use Samsung services, but it asks you to sign in first. Should you use your Google account, or do you need a Samsung account? The good news is that creating one is actually quick and easy. If you enjoy simple tech guides that save you time, subscribe to Next Gen Gadget Hub. A Samsung account is different from your Google account. It gives you access to Samsung's own services and features. Before we begin, make sure your phone is connected to the internet. You'll also need a valid email address for verification. Now that everything is ready, let's create your Samsung account step by step. Open the Samsung account screen. Start by unlocking your Galaxy phone and opening the Settings app. Near the top of the Settings menu, look for Samsung account or sign into your Galaxy. Tap that option to continue if you're creating a new account. Tap Create Account. Enter your information. Enter a valid email address that you'll be able to access. Next, create a strong password that meets Samsung's security requirements. Fill in any remaining required information shown on your screen. Review the required terms and conditions before continuing. When everything looks correct, tap Create Account. Your account has now been created, but there's one more important step before it's fully ready. Verify your email. Samsung will now send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Samsung. Open the email and select the verification link. This confirms that you own the email address and activates your account. Now return to your Galaxy device. If prompted, sign in using your new Samsung account email address and password. Your Samsung account is now active. Complete the setup. For better security, consider turning on two-step verification. Start using Samsung services. You can now start using supported Samsung services across your Galaxy device. Your Samsung account is fully set up and ready to use. Common mistakes to avoid. One of the most common mistakes is entering the wrong email address during registration. Another common issue is trying to sign in before verifying your email. Remember, your Google account and Samsung account are separate accounts, even if they use the same email address. If everything has been verified correctly, your Samsung account is now ready to use. Quick recap. Let's quickly review the entire process. Connect to the internet, create your account, verify your email, then sign in. Don't forget to enable two-step verification for additional protection. Now you're ready to enjoy Samsung supported apps, services, and Galaxy features. Your Samsung account is fully set up and ready for everyday use. If this video helped you create your Samsung account, subscribe to Next Gen Gadget Hub for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.